bro. I'm just here trying to work out, man. How you doing?
I'm doing well, man. I haven't seen you since last day of McCurdy's class.
Biology, yeah, that's right,
Yeah.
man. So, how you doing, man?
Dude, I've just been working out 24/7, and I'm not seeing the results I want to see.
No, well, why not? Well, there's a problem, bro. You're eating McDonald's? I mean, do you know how many saturated fats, all that stuff out there? That's junk food, bro. That's bad food.
I guess not.
You
I guess I'll
know?
figure it out.
You gotta be eating a lot of vegetables, a lot of fruits, you know, a lot of whole grains. Those are good for you, man. Don't you remember anything from Mr. McCurdy's class?
Yeah.
No? Don't you remember anything about the 4 organic molecules we learned in class? No? You know what? We gotta call John P, man. He'll refresh us up on this, alright?
Call him up.
Alright, we'll call him up right now.
Hello? Hey, what's going on, Eric? Oh, you say, Cale, you need some help knowing the 4 groups of molecules. We'll start off with carbs. Carbs is the simplest type of organic molecules there is, found in almost all foods, including bread and even fruits, but not in meat. Carbs, they provide quick energy. However, refined carbohydrates found in those fries Cale always used to eat, those cause obesity and other health problems if consumed too much. Organic molecule is lipids. Lipids do not dissolve in water. Common lipids include triglycerides, sterols, and waxes. Lipids contain either saturated or unsaturated fats. Saturated fats contain all the hydrogens possible. Proteins, another organic compound made up in amino acids. The main function of proteins is to build tissue while carrying out nearly all the work for the cell. While proteins are great for one's body, having too much of anything, including proteins, can be detrimental. Remember when Mr. McCurdy said, eating too much protein to make your pee stink? Nucleic acids, or polymers, consist of monomers called nucleotides. The 2 types of nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. Nucleic acids are found in many foods, but the main function of the nucleic acid DNA is to store genetic information. Recent genetic studies have revealed that a particular set of weight regulating genes is by far the most important factor in determining how much a person will weigh. Remember how Cale always used to talk about how bad of genes he had?
I mean, yeah, I get that. Those foods are bad for me, but it can't be that big of a deal. I'm just one individual. I see fast food joints everywhere I go. What does this even mean for me?
You know what? I think we need to call John P back, okay?
Yeah, obesity has become a real problem. Obesity has become an epidemic in the nation, state, and community. For the state, nearly 70% of Texas are overweight, which means that BMI rating over 25. The current trend continues, 20 million Texans to be overweight. By 2040, which would cost the state $39 million in total healthcare costs. As far as the community goes, Amarillo has taken initiative in the obesity epidemic by eliminating foods that are high in saturated fats from elementary, middle schools, and high schools from vending machines. This is especially important as 23% of 4th graders in Texas were obese. BMI over 30. Wow.
Yeah, you got me there, but in the grand scheme of things, Texas isn't that big. What about the whole world?
Trends continue, the world could see a rise in cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and some cancers. Some experts predict that the world life expectancy could drop due to the obesity crisis in the United States. Life expectancies have already witnessed declines. Countries like the United Kingdom, for example, could be an indicator of bad things to come for the world, with the obesity crisis as to cost them £2 billion a year.
Alright, fine, you guys got me there. Like, there's definitely implications for the community, individual, nation, and world. But there seems to be an ethical issue in it. Fast food, cheaper food, tends to be worse for your body. Isn't there an ethical problem in this?
You're exactly right. There is definitely an ethical issue, but a recent government study found that carrots and a lot of fruits and vegetables and whole grains are less expensive in proportion than the soft drinks, ice cream, a lot of the fast foods and stuff that we eat. This makes me think about something that John P said. John Paul said something that 23% of all 4th graders in the state of Texas are obese. I think we might think about this as far as an ethical issue as well.
Well, you're spot on with that one. Psychologists today have a code of ethics they must follow while treating others. I mean, is this medical neglect by the parents? Can you strip the child from their home just because they're obese? This issue needs to be answered, especially if these trends of obesity continue.
What's up, John? Hey, I got another question for you, Gary. Hey, so I was thinking, since the refined carbohydrates, saturated fats, and individuals with a genetic disposition for obesity are around, I was just thinking, are there anything new that has been concerning the topic of obesity lately in the news?
Just recently, Mayor Michael Bloomberg in New York City proposed a ban of jumbo-sized sodas and other sugary drinks. In the future, it appears that popcorn and milkshakes could be the next to go.
Alright, pretty interesting. When I work out, I almost always need an accountability partner, so I don't slack off. Is there anything else I can do?
Definitely cut back on those things. As far as your accountability partner problem goes, Apple is currently designing the technology that allows you to share fitness performance data with your friends during and after your workout. This enables your friends to see what you have done fitness-wise and force you to keep up on your exercises. And I know you have an iPhone, so no excuses.
I don't know what you've been doing with your time, man, in order for you to forget all the stuff that Mr. McCurry talked to us about in class. But just like John said, you try to remember all the organic molecules, the carbs, the lipids, the proteins, and the nucleic acids, how they're good for you, and how much you should have in your daily diet. Okay, and having a healthy daily balance of all these 4 organic molecules is going to help you live a healthier lifestyle, and you won't be a obesity statistic. Now get on your face and give me 50.